One more coming aboard. All right, that's the last one. Let's go. Yeehaw, almost home, everyone. Giddy up, cows, to the farm.
Wow. Time to ride to the track.
Yeehaw, let's hit the road. This truck's got some real get up and go. What a beautiful day for a drive. Howdy, cows, I'm coming over. Woo. All right, I'm here now.
Woo.
Let's stick together, partners. All right, cows, keep up. Whoa there, stop the truck. Look at the side of this beauty. Hey there, big fella. You're a good cow. Let's go see your friends now. And how about you, pretty girl? You're all so sweet. One more coming aboard. All right, that's the last one. Let's go. Yeehaw, almost home, everyone. Giddy up, cows, to the farm. Howdy, cows. Welcome to the farm. All right, everyone off the truck now. Great job. The fields are all yours. Hey there, partner. Ready to see the barn?
Woo! Yes, let's go!
All righty, follow me.
Wow, it's so big in here!
Told ya, welcome home. Howdy, partner. Morning chores are calling. Brought you some fresh water. Morning, partner. Got some fresh hay for you.
Wow, so many yummy vegetables. Look at all the tomatoes. And purple eggplants too. This side has peppers, yay! Vegetables land is the best. My carrots are growing so nicely. My tomatoes, a pest! Hey, get away from my garden. Not the eggplants too. Gotcha now! Ooh, such lovely veggies. Hey, I have an idea. Time to get picking. Got one. Now for a tomato. Yay, harvest time. Yay, fresh carrots. Now for an eggplant. This is fun. One more tomato. All done. I'm home. Look at all these yummy vegetables. Time to make a nice dinner.
Back again. Time to take the trolley to the farm. Let's get these supplies over to the fields. Here you go, girl. Eat up. Good girl. You like that, don't you? Now for some extra treats. All done.
Bye, friends. All right, let's head over to the side of the barn. Here we are.
All right, my little chicks, I'll be back soon. Time to check on the big field. What a beautiful day for a stroll. Time to plow the fields. Whoa, why'd you stop? on, start. Ugh, not working. Now what?
All right, let's tighten this bolt. Next, the carburetor adjustment. Almost done. Let's give it a test. Perfect. Ready for the fields.
Wow, let's get this field tilled. Turning the soil. Purr, this is the life. One more row.
What a fine day for farming. Time to park this old tractor. Ah, home sweet home.
All right, all loaded up. Time to hit the road to market. What a beautiful day for a drive.
Here we are, the farmer's market.
Welcome back. The tomatoes are ripe today.
They look perfect. I'll take a basket.
Morning! I've got a delivery for you. All the fresh milk you asked for. Wonderful, thank you. I'll take them. All sold. Time to head home.
Almost home. What a beautiful evening. Home sweet home at last. Time to relax inside.
All right, let's get these carrots sliced up. Chop, chop, nice and even. Now for the eggplants. Perfect, all ready for the stew.
This stew is coming along nicely. Let's give it a taste. Perfect. Just needs a little more stirring. Almost ready now.
There we go, a perfect serving. Smells wonderful. Time to dig in.